I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my mint mongoose. This is actually the April bag. I'm a little late on this, sorry about that. Mint mongoose is $12 a month for the regular, or you can get the mint mongoose black, which is $22.99, and that one has a lot more stuff in it. Okay, let's just see what is in the April one. Ooh, and there's my Werthers. Ooh, this ring is fun. Oh, look at that. That's fun. And it has, you know, I mean, it's got like the adjustable, not quite closed in the back, but oh, I really like that. That's fun. Oh, and this says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Oh, I didn't even realize you could buy stuff online. Like, you know, if you see a necklace or something that you like, you can just buy it online. That's awesome. From their little shop. Oh, how cute. It has their little mongoose thing on the back. Can you see the little mongoose right there? And then the front of it is this fun little thing. Fun. Ugh. Is it just me, your necklace is always like going right where my shirt ends? There we go. There we go, that's pretty. I like that. And then these look like earrings. Let's see. Oh, they're matching earrings. Oh, yay. See little studs that are like the little half circle. I don't know what this is, marbled something or other. Those are cute though, I'm gonna put them on. I don't know why, but it gives me great satisfaction when my jewelry matches. You know, because usually I'm just wearing mismatched willy-nilly rings, earrings, bracelets. But there's something exciting about having them match. Yay! Oh, that's fun. I actually really like this. I kind of want to shorten it or something just so that it's not the exact same length as the V-neck in my shirt. Anyway, what fun! Okay, so Mint Mongoose, $12 a month. I always get fun stuff and it's inexpensive, which is great, but you can also opt for the larger bag if you want to. All right, I will leave all of the information in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!